Hello and welcome. Today we're kicking off an exciting journey together. This is M101, your college algebra adventure. And a huge special welcome goes out to all of you, the amazing future educators in the Teacher Education Department at Romblon State University's San Fernando campus. This explainer was made especially for you. So, I've got to ask, are you ready to unlock one of the most powerful skills a teacher can possibly have? Because believe it or not, that's what this journey is all about. Your guide on this adventure is the fantastic Dr. Villaran M. Febas. She's going to lead you through college and advanced algebra. And together, you're not just going to learn math, you're going to build some serious problem-solving superpowers. Okay, let's get right to it. Every great adventure needs a map, and that's exactly what your course syllabus is. It's going to show you the path, the highlights, and all the cool things you'll discover. So, first things first, let's look at your course roadmap. This section is all about the why. Why are we here, and why is this course so important for you? Now, you might read the official description and see a lot of big words. Real number system, transcendent functions. So what does all that actually mean? It's simple, really. It means we're going to start with what you already know and build on it step by step to tackle some really cool new ideas. Which brings us to the biggest question of all, right? Why is algebra a must-have skill for you, someone who's going to be shaping young minds? The answer is a little something called algebraic thinking. And you gotta think of this as your teaching superpower. Seriously, it's the ability to look at a huge, messy problem, break it down into simple pieces, and then explain it with total confidence. That's not just a math skill, that's a teacher skill. Okay, so you know the mission. Now let's pack your bag. This section is all about your toolkit for success, the things you'll need to master this course. First up, let's look at how your grade is broken down. The major exams are important, sure, that's 40%. But check this out, a whopping 60% of your grade comes from your participation, your presentations, your quizzes, your homeworks. This means your consistent daily effort is what really counts. So, what's the secret recipe for success? Well, there's no secret. It just boils down to these 4 things. Keep up with your work, give it your best shot on the exams, and most importantly, just dive in and aim for that deep understanding. It's not just about passing, it's about mastering these skills for life. And there's zero mystery in how your grade is calculated. It's a totally transparent 5-step process. Everything is converted, weighted, and added up fairly, is all laid out for you so you always know exactly where you stand. All right, we've got our map, we've got our toolkit. Now for the really fun part, the journey itself. Let's take a sneak peek at the topics we're going to explore this semester. This timeline gives you a fantastic bird's eye view. You can see the whole semester is split into 2 halves, with the midterm and final exams marking our progress. We'll start with the fundamentals and then launch into some really advanced, exciting stuff. So this first half of the semester is all about building a rock-solid foundation. We're going to master the absolute essential building blocks of algebra. Your early adventures will cover the real number system, polynomials, and then we'll get into exponents, radicals, and rational expressions. We'll top it off by becoming experts at solving equations and inequalities. These are the core skills every great problem solver needs. Then, after the midterms, a whole new world opens up. We're going to dive deep into the incredibly powerful concept of functions. This is where algebra truly comes to life. Your later quests will cover all kinds of functions, linear, quadratic, polynomial, you name it. We'll even get into exponential and logarithmic functions and get a first look at trigonometry. This is where you'll see how algebra actually describes the world around us. It's awesome. Now, of course, any great adventure needs a few rules of the road. You know, just some simple guidelines to make sure our journey is smooth, safe, and fun for everyone. And the most important rule is academic honesty. Success is all about your own hard work, your original ideas, and collaborating with integrity. Let's just avoid the shortcuts. Your authentic work is what we're here to celebrate. Here are a few other quick policies. Just be mindful of attendance. Showing up is half the battle. Deadlines are firm to keep us all on track. And this is a big one.
please use Dr. Viba's consultation hours. That time is set aside just for you. And the easy one, phones on silence so we can all focus on the adventure.
Okay, let's talk about this number 3.0. It's important. If, for whatever reason, you get an incomplete or an INC, this is the highest possible grade you can get once you complete the work. So the real message here is a positive one. Stay on track, keep up with the work, and you will absolutely earn the grade that reflects all your effort. All right, we've seen the map, we've packed our toolkit, and we know the rules of the road. There's really only one thing left to do. It's time to begin your first quest. Your M101 College Algebra adventure officially starts right now. Thanks for taking a look at the map with me. I hope you're feeling excited. Get ready for our next explainer, where we'll take our very first step and dive right into the real number system. I'll see you there.